Rule of 54, you guys, making sure we're mailing and we're marketing and we're communicating and we are sending out LOIs. That is the number one thing. Time management. Now, we need to be starting off each day with a plan. We need to be allocating time to work. And just because you're self-employed doesn't mean you don't punch a clock. But I also want to be mindful of those of you who are doing this business on the side. Many of you are working a full-time job. You're coming home in the evenings, and some of you are having to, cook dinner and take care of kids and do homework, and then you're working this business after all of that. But that means time management is even more important for you. It's an even greater priority than it would be otherwise. Now, some of you are retired. You have all day, every day to be working on this business, but that could be part of your challenge because you have so much time. We don't have any really dedicated, focused time. And that's why we need to start each day out with a plan. So Gary and I teach things in our presentations for our clients about what we call big rock calendaring. And big rock calendaring is taking the biggest tasks and putting them in the biggest sections of time throughout your calendar. And we're going to talk a little bit about marketing later on here today, and that being one of your big rocks. So if you get home and it's after 8 o'clock, it's obviously too late to be calling people. That's when we're going to be placing our Craigslist ads. We're going to be running our Facebook ads. We're going to be shooting our YouTube videos, and we're going to be getting that stuff out so that those ads, those marketing, those direct mail pieces, they can be out there working for you while you're maybe still working that full-time job. But the rule of 54 needs to be done every single day. Rule of 54, you guys, making sure we're mailing and we're marketing and we're communicating and we are sending out LOIs. That is the number one thing.